If you forgot the screen lock password of your Amazon Fire Max 11 tablet, this is how easily you can reset forgot password on your Fire tab. Now, after putting down wrong password for 5 consecutive times, you will get this pop-up. Now, if you don't want to try again, just tap on Reset Password and then enter the Amazon password that you used to register this device. When you're done, go to the next part, set a new PIN, tap on this red button and confirm it. Press continue. Enter the same lock screen that you've just set and yes. And that's how you can reset forgot lock screen password on your Amazon Fire tab. Now, just in case you forgot your Amazon password or for some reason it's just not working on your tab, in that case, go back to your lock screen after entering wrong password for consecutive 5 times. There's another way to reset your password, and that is just go ahead tap to factory reset. But please remember, this will erase all data and everything from your tab. If you're okay with that, just go ahead tap here to factory reset. As prompted, type whatever on your screen, and then finally tap on reset device. Now after the reset, when your device reboots again, just go ahead reset a bit, and when prompted, you can set another screen lock PIN or password. So that's how you can reset and recover your forgot screen lock password on your Fire tab. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and take care.